So we are looking at the moon right now at the sky. It's like what, 7 o'clock now, 7 p.m. And it's supposed to be the closest that the moon has been to Earth in the last 120 years. Can you believe that? It's kind of crazy. And I'm trying to videotape, you know, and I think I got a helicopter. There's a helicopter flying. I don't know if you guys can see. Helicopter right there up in the sky. And let's go back to the moon, right? Back to the moon. I can find, there you go. There's the moon again. It is really close, very bright. And we are outside the Xenon 10 right now. Having fun. Oh, no, I never got on. I can't find them anymore. There's the moon. Look at how big it is. The moon. They also tell?
It's awesome.
You know, say it's awesome. Is that awesome, Cal? Awesome. We love Cal. She's awesome. Wah! Wah! Jump. 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 One more time. Jump.